How to create Byjus account for free. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create an account in Byjus for free, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for byjus.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Byjus. Here on the top of your screen, you will see the option for login. Tap on that. You will be led to the login portal of Byjus. So go ahead and firstly set your country and then enter your mobile number and tap on the continue option. You will now receive an OTP in the number you just entered, so enter the OTP in here and tap on next. You will now be asked to fill in your profile details, so enter your name, email, city, grade and tap on next, and with this you will be led to the home page of Byjus. And this is how you can create Byjus account for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.